The Belt and Road Initiative is important for the sustainable development of the world, helping developing countries improve their infrastructure and standards of life, said a Jordanian professor.
I am involved in the Belt and Road Initiative through my consultant in the Institute. I believe it's a very important initiative for the sustainable development of the world. Most of the countries in the world now involved in this initiative. This initiative will change the face of the world, will change the world politics. It will help developing countries to improve their standard of life, to improve their infrastructure. I think this model of sustainable development model of China, the people in developing countries, they need it. I think in many Arab countries now they are participating in the Belt and Road. Most of the Arab countries, they are participating. And I think all the Arabs looks to China as a country which provide, what you can see, and participation with mutual benefit with other countries. The benefit will be shared by for both of sides, not for one side as the West they are doing with these countries.